We won this game, guys.
Hi guys, we're here on Rai_Burger channel, and here are our guests for today. This is DK and Kai. And don't forget to subscribe here and like and share this video. Also follow me on my Instagram at DKDikia. Yes, follow me on my Instagram, KXMaria, HH.
Yeah, that's good.
So you will see the link below. The link below. Okay.
So, just click.
Nasaan?
Tabi-tabi dito.
So we are about to go somewhere.
Over the rainbow, guys.
Well, let's just go.
Yan, so saan tayo pupunta?
Pupunta tayo sa Rotonda para mag-food trip.
Mag-food trip pero walang pera.
Oo, yun lang. Ang dami na naming plano, ang dami namin gustong bilhin. Pera na lang kulang. So guys, bakit yung naging favorite ang takoyaki?
Actually, siya yung nag-introduce sa akin.
Actually, yung boyfriend ko yung nag-introduce sa akin sa takoyaki.
Boy, bago ka pa magkaroon ng boyfriend, pinakilala mo na sa akin si takoyaki.
Ayan, nag-aaway lang. Boy, ako na.
Oo, wala pang boyfriend doon.
Wait, what's that?
Yung kami na magkakapatid.
Ay, man.
Yan, so, kaya ikaw, anong bala ko sa buhay?
Manonood lang ako sa inyo kasi ayoko ng takoyaki.
Shout out pala dyan kay Rain. Hi, Rain.
Hi!
Ano,
Hi, Rain!
Hi, Rain.
Wolf!
A wolf?
Rain Wolf! Hi, Rain Wolf! Rain Wolf nga!
So guys, pahinga muna kami kasi may mga pulis ha. Mamaya ulit, mag-vlog ulit kami kapag napag-order na kami ng food. Okay? So, bye-bye!
Hi guys! We are here at the Tikman Milk Tea. Yes.
Tikman milk tea. Yeah, this one. So guys, yung naisip kaming concept for today is to eat a pizza without drinking water.
Actually, kanina pa kami kumakain na walang
Yeah. Kasi wala mga bang na tubig. Just wait for a few minutes.
A few moments later.
Yun nga, after 5 or
Open natin. Ba't nahuhulog na siya? Ano yung sabi natin? Nahulog siya.
Hey guys!
Mabango siya, mabango.
Yeah.
Patungin na, please lang. So, ang in-order namin is shawarma mo. It is 160 pesos. Dito siya mabibili sa
Milk tea, tikman. Sobrang sweet.
So, take note, hindi kami magtutubig. Hindi kayo magtutubig.
Hindi kami inom, makikita niyo yun. 1, 2, 3. It's 8.
Tig-drink kami dalawa sa'yo. The one for 24.
Yeah.
Kasi kapag 3 yung katawan namin, pang 2 lang yung sa'yo.
Oh, good than you. Ano ka ba?
Ayan.
Hindi mo siya digital cam. So.
I will say something about it. Oh, look what there is.
I knew what to put the absence.
I wanted first. It's too saucy. Nagtutulo-tulo siya. It's creamy.
It's ready.
Can I have some?
Yeah, sure. Kasi ang likod dito eh.
Cheers, cheers.
So guys, kain muna kami. So yun guys, we're done eating our pizza. And since there's only 2 meals, we're gonna play this game.
So, sino ang maiba? Siya yung walang pizza. Wala.
We won this game, guys. We gotta take the 2 pizza. Me and Kamari. So, siya yung nag-iya ako ng game, ha? Sige na, may nakayo. Go. So, tatampo ko siya. Hi, guys!
So, nawala na si Kai. Kasi kakatapos lang namin kanina pumunta dun sa Milky Tikman.
Tikman.
Supposedly, nagpunta kami kina Kai para mag-record sa review namin dun sa food.
Restaurant review.
Unfortunately, hindi namin nagawa yung purpose namin.
Yeah, tapos partita guys, umaumbon pa. It's raining cats and dogs.
We're gonna do a review right now. What do we think about Milky Tikman?
The moment that I passed by, sobrang entertaining.
What caught our attention?
There's mga I think.
Ang dami tao sa labas, di ba?
Yeah, oh, tapos parang nga daw sila nasa palengke na nagtatawag ng customer. They have just been serving for
2 weeks na.
Yeah, 2 weeks pa lang. It's really a newbie.
So, nung
So,
pumasok kami, yan nga. Umorder kami ng...
we ordered shawarma movies.
Yeah. Also, we had that challenge na hindi kami ininom ng tubig.
Yeah, we're successfully done. We're here at Santo Tomas and it's Happy Fiesta Santo Tomas. Shout out dyan kay Kamaria sa Bebalina.
Para sa akin ang masasabi ko, sa foods, masarap siya. Saucy niya, di ba?
Yeah.
Tulo-tulo pa nga siya eh.
What's good thing about this? Yung bread niya or yung pastry niya, sobrang lambot.
Parang hindi siya yung ininit lang na gano'n.
You would really enjoy it.
As you can see, ipakita natin yung nangyayari ngayon sa This is what's happening in Santo Tomas right now at exactly 7 p.m.
So we're going home now and we're just going to walk. Yeah, we're just walking. Walking.
Kaya ano na pa ba masasabi natin? Nakakatuwa. More than the food, more than what we did actually. What I really love today, nagkasama tayong
Exactly. And after 1 year and a half, nagawa ngayon lang ulit namin ito nagawa.
This is actually unexpected. We really had fun. We missed each other.
Yeah.
Unexpected, literal. Ang dami namin napuntahan. Next time, babalik kami dun sa Milky Tikman.
And we're gonna do mukbang. That's our goal for the next days. Subscribe lang kayo and just continue giving your comments. Kung may challenges pa kayo na pwede nyo ibigay sa amin.
So again, my name is DK Agoncillo.
And I'm Rai_Bandaverga and we're here with Kamaria Isabel Balitaw and Hi guys. So guys, hi, bye-bye. So guys, yun nga, alis na kami. Peace! Bye!